Hello and welcome to a new episode of Your True North video podcast, a space filled with authentic talks about personal stories, a space where you can connect, explore, and let yourself be in awe of the human spirit. For this episode, I wanted to do something different, to switch things up a bit. One might say that this time I am interviewing myself, and yes, one could be right about this. The only difference is that this time the questions are in there and the answers are in here. So, who am I? I am Julia Farkas. I am just a human being, and my story bears resemblance to any other story out there. What are some of my superpowers? Well, for many years now, I have been telling stories in various shapes and sizes about ideas, projects, products, services, and people. And please let me emphasize the people part, because my purpose now is to help people tell their story. And this is exactly what I am doing right now with my guests on this podcast, on the Your True North video podcast. My guests are fabulous people from various environments, working in different types of industries, and I guide them to share parts of their story in order to motivate, to inspire, and empower you, the listener. Because just like when you have triggers for damaging behavior, you can also discover, let's call them motivators, for allowing yourself to move forward, for reinvention, for getting in touch with who you really are, for acknowledging where you belong, for guiding you to remember to always come back to yourself after you wander on many of life's different paths. So, what is the link between the title of the podcast and the concept of personal stories? Well, finding your true north is a story on its own, because both you and I have a compass inside that guides us along this journey that we call life. And at times, that compass can be a little or a lot off for a number of different reasons. Like that time, a long time ago, I call it in a different lifetime, when I wanted to climb the corporate ladder. Yes, I aspired to get to a place, a certain place. And I got to a certain point, but I could not move forward because after 9 years of learning many different things, of hard work with long hours and a huge amount of stress, it all came tumbling down because my services were not needed anymore. Later on, I realized that I lingered for far too long on a path that only fed my ego, but not my soul. And the point was, I identified with that story of who I thought I was in that moment. And when that job was gone, I lost my bearings and I lost myself. That was the point when the story I told myself for a long time simply died. And it was a hard and complicated grieving process because I was confused and I did not want to let go. Because you see, the mind can only measure what you stand to lose. It cannot measure what you stand to gain in the process of shifting to a different life path. And along this path of rediscovery, of reinvention, of writing a new story for yourself, I believe that there is no one size fits all. Sure, there are tactics and techniques in place that were put there for a good reason, and you don't need by any means to reinvent the proverbial wheel. But I always believe that you need to pick up something from there, from here, from this, from that, and so on, and apply it to your own circumstances. But enough for right now. I will continue in another episode. So stay tuned. Until the next time, I will leave you with one final note. Get to where you want to be, one story at a time. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the emails so you can be notified when the next videos are uploaded. You can find all the necessary details in the description below.